Yes, welcome back. The program now as it is hot, and on today's matter, what will they look? Will they look the new appointment where Oga Muhammad Buhari appoint? That is the new GND. That is the new Oga of NNPC. Oga Emmanuel Kachuku, where he just appoint, say, okay, make you take the affair of NNPC, make you try clean up the system where don't corrupt them, and make sure say you restore them to the glory days of when things be the waka. And the also tell you say, apart from that appointment, say Oga Muhammad Buhari also appoint another person, with that is the new Oga of NCC. What will be that name where you call him?
Garuba.
Oga Garuba. Yes, another appointment where Oga Muhammad Buhari appoint yesterday, and these two individuals, different sectors, how what will be the issues, what will they anticipate, the changes will they anticipate from these individuals where they will bring it into the system. So Chukwudi, back to the issue on ground.
Well, as a lot of people don't talk about the NNPC, and it don't make people they fear. For example, the present governor of Kaduna State, Malam Nasiru El-Rufai, for one lecture when we say they organize for Professor Wole Soyinka, he been talk say if you check the way when we say the NNPC don't they operate, in take them back to 2012, say the NNPC they don't chook their hand inside plenty bad things. He give breakdown of the kind of money when we say NNPC make, and the one when we say they remit, that is they return go give a federal government, say okay, oh, see the profit from the money when we say we make. He talk say for 2012, say NNPC rake in 2.77 trillion naira, but now only 1.66 trillion now them pay enter inside the account of the federation. 2013 it talk say 2.66 trillion and now 1.56 now they pay into the account. 2014 and 2015, the same thing happened. 2.64 trillion and they pay 1.44. And between January and May 2015, they rake in 733.33 billion naira, but paying only 473.2 billion. If you check the figures, it go show say the percentage over 100, say at least like 42%, they keep up for themselves, they don't pay the money. Now something when we say Oga Kachuku go fight. And Abigail from Kaduna, we believe say she said go carry better advice, sunch Mr. Kachuku so that he go know what to do. Madam Abigail, good morning.
Good morning, Oga Chukwudi.
Good morning, Madam Abigail.
Good morning, Kubi. How na day?
Would they fine?
My own what I want to say, that man with the carry as Oga for NNPC, he go fit do the work. That is if people wey dey under him support him. And you know, as him as Oga, you go dey for office, you go send your boys. You wey be the Oga, you're not supposed to come out go do work again. Now you get boys where you go send. If you send them, do this. When they come back, ask them, this is what I send you now. Una do am. If they say yes, follow the work up. Go and check what you tell them to do. If not contract, if not to supply anything, make sure you follow them up and make sure that everything you send them, then do them correctly. But if you sit down for office, say you be Oga, you send boys, they go spoil work for you. And again, make him check people where they are around him. Make him make sure say nobody go feel spoil work for him, because if he carry on in mind they do work, but people wey dey around him they go spoil work for him for him. So my advice to him is say make him dey vigilant, make him open eye, make him no sit down for office say I be your guy, I dey for office.
And for
when
that,
you tell
yes.
your boys, follow them up. You understand?
Yes.
Follow them up. Then when you follow them up, you go see say everything where you go do. If na people wey chop money, na there you go see catch them. But if you sit down for office, you no go see catch anybody wey chop the money. So now my advice to Oga Kachuku be that to make him try. God
Thank you very much, Madam Abigail.
God will give her the strength. Make
Yes.
him do the work.
Now waiting all of us have they
Thank you very much, Madam Abigail. In fact, what Madam Abigail talk
Motherly advice.
Motherly advice to at least the new MD of NNPC. So look, Oga MD, make sure say this work where they give you. Make sure say you enter them well. Not be just from the surface, but enter into the work well. Make sure say you know the in and out of every activity where they take place. So at least you go feel no say yes, this thing indeed you are getting it right. May we collect this call from Sam. Sam, they call us from Ikotun. Good morning, Oga Sam.
Good morning, Nkubi.
Good morning.
Good morning, Chukwudi.
Good morning, Oga Sam.
We bless God. You are doing beautiful job.
Thank you very much, Oga
I
Sam.
think Mr. President, he wants to clean corruption, if it were as it were. These two Nigerians he has appointed are very credible. And we are believing that if they will not pay them or necessary homages from their clubs and their villages and whatever it is, the people will fortress to put this system in order.
Very true.
And by this, we will achieve what is good. Let them hold firm to the position, not listening to any other advice from anywhere. The mandate given to them by the president, let them put to the letter. By this, we shall come corruption and we shall have good governance. Have a nice day. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Oga Sam.
Oga Sam.
Quick and sharp, and he just delivered. He nailed it.
I know, say, Oga Sam, Igbo name na Chukwuti.
No, what is that now?
Which one is what is that? Which one is what is
Oga
that?
Sam is Sam.
Is it not obvious?
Is it not
obvious? Sam
Even if you be
Chukwudi.
prophet,
Sam
if
Chukwudi.
Chukwudi, in fact, if you be prophet, somebody like no will come your church.
Why you go? I don't even need people like you. When you call the talk of offering, you now come begin they speak English. You come church. You they go church. They use church. Not they use church. They do example. It gets something. Some people know they use it. They do example. If they use integrity, do example. We use President Muhammadu Buhari. If they use fairness, equity, and justice, do example. We use me because they talk through. We they use church, do example. You they call yourself. Who are you? They talk about church. You they go church. You they talk and hear. We when they sit down near choir, they hear and they sing. There shall be showers. And we they hear part of we know even they talk. Now people when no they talk. Dr. Emmanuel Ibekachiku. Chiku dey the name Chuku Kachukudi Kachuku make I no even go there. You know, since I no even talk, he just talk say I'm going to do the mandate. You come here, they say we dey go church. Which church you dey go? Which church you dey go? Call your pastor, make him call here. You never see my church members, they call here, they tell me say I dey sit down for front of church. You know they hear he go, they talk come here, they talk say this thing. You never snap picture inside church before you come here talk say they go. Not even they talk other one. Oga Gabriel from Warri, abeg contribute for this matter before I even verse. Good morning, Oga Gabriel.
Yeah, good morning, Ukubi.
Good morning, Oga Gabriel. Good morning.
I must say for this opinion and they always bring on air every day.
Thank you very much.
And I thank God for this great opportunity. I beg, this is our present president when he come in now. Hope we still give us more patience. We know whether we never know in mind whether I go do better or not go do better. But meanwhile, as they give us patience to make people at the back of the mind say there are in other cities, things are going fine, and in other cities, things are going bad. Look at we from Nigeria Delta. Most of the northerners, people coming from the northerners, polluting the Warri and environs. Mostly the Warri, the Nigeria Delta, they will bring their things from pollute everywhere in the Nigeria Delta. And then it's their own person now in seats. They have to bring the beggars back, all the old beggars from the street back to north. Let them go and keep them somewhere in north and feed them. Because all these are part of to maintain the country. We are tired of polluting every year. People are dying. Okay, look at what happened in Alaja. People are dying in diseases, dying in sicknesses. And now their own person now, they're on feet now. They're on feet now. Let them go back home, go back to their various city and do something in their own city.
Oga Gabriel.
Oga Gabriel, we understand what you talk, but this is your talk.
Thank you very much.
This your talk no relate with what we discuss.
We know say they vex over some certain things. Make it bear in mind say as long as you be citizen of a particular country, you get the right to say you won't stay anywhere.
So long as you know they constitute nuisance or cause trouble inside
for
here.
that particular
because
place.
Nigeria and our country.
Yes, exactly. And some things we don't also raise. You also need to understand, say, that now get state governor. What has your state governor done to make sure, say, at least in do it in look into that particular issue?
And this one will be about party now.
At least he bring in some changes, make sure, say, at least people when they constitute news and say he find solution to their matter.
Very true.
These are the things we supposed to address. Because if you come to talk, say, make everybody go back. Oga
Gabriel, you don't raise very vital points, but we go like point them out, say, Nigeria and our country, you know, go spoil. We don't already agree, say, okay, for some time now, we get the way when this our country, don't they? Because we get people who say they don't care about us for Nigeria. But all of us, they believe now, say, Nigeria go better. If Nigeria better, it go affect all of us. For example, if you get light for your house, light don't go ask you where you come from or which person you vote for before the light go stay. So make all of us give our support to government. And by government, now they even they talk about party, local, state, and federal government, so that they go move our country forward. From Warri, we go enter Yola. Collect this call from Oga Obiora. Oga Obiora, good morning, sir.
Yeah, good morning. Good morning.
Good morning, Oga Obiora.
As in the horse, and I'm going to take a minute some time, or they think the horse well. You see what I want to talk? Issue of corruption in Nigeria is not something that one man alone can fight. And it's something that will take a long process. Now, this Ibekwe is a good man. But before you know it, some presidential allies will come to force him to be corrupt, not even the president. Because sometimes what we will find out in this system is that the president may be very good, For the people that is working under
Around
you,
him.
his boys, they will be the people that will be putting sand inside the garage. Before you know, they will be telling this man, or God says you go do this one. And Ibekwe as one single person, as chairman and the of NNPC, will not change every worker. You cannot be a chairman and be director of production, director of that, director of this. So what we are saying is that this is the group managing director. Let him try his best. And we pray that everybody in Nigeria, including me and you, will try, because corruption is something that is from up to down. Inside the family, there is corruption. So it's something that we will try and reduce more. By God's grace, one day we will come out of corruption. And you know, corruption will not go completely, but at least it will reduce. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.
Thank you very much, Ogobiora. Thank you very, very much. And please, a couple of people also state that one. Say, look, for you to come into a particular system, you also need to understand that system. And not let that, the things that they eat up that system affect you when they come in. Because if they come in as a new person, like a clean person, your job is to come and get the work done. Don't allow the system corrupt you instead. So now, waiting on Ogobiora, they try to tell us there. And then, Chukudi, we could still look at me. In advance, we could look and say, okay, a new responsibility has been put before our Oga Kachuku. And we also ask this question. Okay, the refineries will be part of the thing where they outline, to make them check. Okay, the refinery's job is to at least to refine this thing and make sure, say, at least oil circulate around. Okay, for using to be very, very effective, what are those things where we also need to put in place? Because the refinery's own, now that job on its own, and make also be in mind, say, now one of the major things we don't make the sector, they so don't fall.
Very true.
You understand?
Very
so
true.
Those are those areas we also need to say, yes, so for us to really make sure we get this thing right, apart from the corruption, the refineries also is another big issue.
Very true. Whether we like it or not, everybody knows say the mainstay of our economy na oil. And it's very, very important say our refineries, they work. Because Nigerians, they use them. We also follow for people when we say we be consumers or users of this oil. And if our refineries no work, we go need to they carry and go out, go refine them before they bring and come here. Waiting go make the process very, very difficult. The good thing is say we get refineries already for inside Nigeria. Now just say some of them, sometimes they never work. And they never they do what they're supposed to do. But we believe say as this man not enter now, and the fact say some of the refineries now not begin to they produce up to maximum capacity, say they go continue and improve on top of that. We'll go Zamfara. Collect this call from Oga Victor. Oga Victor, good morning, sir.
Chukudi, good morning.
Good morning, Oga Victor.
Nkubi, good morning.
Good morning.
Well, it don't tell.
You don't
tell well. We they miss you now.
There's no day where I know they call. I go call. Now yesterday, tell me well. But the back I will call, I know we get to now. Wallahi.
But that was say get us today.
I thank God say I got to today. In fact, watching me, I advise the new group managing director. Now make it shine eye well. Because next thing where carry the chicken picking, no carry the chicken itself. The thing they say, if NNPC now into the refine oil for Nigeria, there will always be wahala. So make they allow people, private sectors, different independent refineries, make them give them license, make they begin refine. They go create job, corruption go reduce. If everything is centered on one sector, maybe make government they refine only. This corruption no go cease. So now one thing why I say make I drop for them. Make sure say all this thing we don't talk since. Do you understand? Make they allow private refineries to
get involved.
To refine. By the time there will be competition, you go refine, I go refine. The other person go refine. They will force price down by force. See what thing happen for telecommunications. When they come initially, the price they high, but today I can make calls 6 naira, 12 naira, 11 naira, depending on the network.
Exactly.
So now what I want to advise them.
Thank you very much, Victor.
You don't make very, very important point. Private sector participation so that we go enhance competition. But again, we go need no say based on private sector participation, say some people before you go talk say you don't get plenty muscle to dey participate based on say you be private sector. Some of them are people when we say they don't get plenty hand for government. What we want now transparency, so that anybody when we say want invest for the business go chook money inside, competition go there, we go produce up to maximum capacity and Nigerians go enjoy, because we no fit get oil make we dey suffer. From Zamfara we go enter Ilorin, collect this call from Oga Kelvin. Oga Kelvin, good morning, sir.
Good morning, Oga Nkobi.
Good morning, Oga Kelvin.
Good morning, Nkobi.
Yeah, right over here.
Thank you very much. Yeah, I love this program.
Thank you, sir.
very much.
First of all, we have to give the credit to President Goodluck Jonathan for signing the FOI bill, Freedom of Information. That's the first thing that made this program impact and relative.
Okay.
Now, I have to chip into this a little thing that coming up here. So, please, what I want to advise this man where they employ him now. We don't see other sectors waiting they go on in Nigeria. As they bring and come, as person will come from south, Niger Delta. I bet may shine eye very well. May carry him Bible and laptop. Bring every photo where we say they will help and work for that place. They then sharp. As they bring and come now, tomorrow they free carry and come up for that place. They just use them for that place, make them use complement all the employment where they don't do, all the stuff where they don't do. We don't see the thing where happens to generals where they sack. We don't have for the master now as the employee for there. We don't see other sectors. We they watch what is happening. This man makes shine eye very well and take control of his office well. So that tomorrow, if we come out there, may say Nigeria, waiting happen, waiting make them come out and for that thing. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much,
Oga Kelvin. You don't make very, very important
Yes,
points. They say he must shine his eyes because he did very, very important. And just like what Madam Abigail talk, Madam Abigail talk say, if you talk, say, okay, go do this work, and you know chook eye on top, the thing goes spoil. You know if you sit down for your office, they talk, say, I be good man, I dey qualified. You self go roll your sleeves up, draw your trousers, go up, enter inside too, stay yourself to talk, say, make we do this thing well. Now on that contribution when Oga Kelvin from Ilorin give us, we go quickly enter market. When we go this market, come back, we go reach the final bus stop and continue talk on top of the new Oga when they sit on top of NNPC and how he go take comot corruption inside the system to move Nigeria forward. We go come back and now still as in the heart. Welcome back to Acid Hot on top of the senior brother for the television when they inside Obodo the world. Wazobia TV on top Star Times channel 195. From 10 go reach 11 every day from Monday to Friday na Christmas. If you dey watch Acid Hot, because the democracy of a show, that is show of the people by the people and for the people by the president Ezugwu Chukwudi and the vice president Nkubi go give you the license to talk am the way when the team be you for body. And today on, wetin we dey talk na the new appointment when we say Oga Presido Muhammadu Buhari don carry give two very, very important people. The one we call the chook eye on top pass na NNPC, because for a very long time we don't get issue for inside that area. Oga Presido give the new Chamo mandate, and we go check the mandate, see whether na something when we say if he achieve or whether he no go fit achieve am.
Say Chukwudi, make I warn you. Before I go even give this man, me I warn you. See, no ever. What be the meaning of all this one? Me I they drag over one political position where you can't they claim say you be president. Me I vice president. What you want call that one?
Nkubi, why is the spirit of APC in you?
No. What you want bring that one in the first place? Why you go they declare say, I'll take my mom to call you president. Why you go to call yourself president? I text me call me vice president.
Which one? No. Which one?
What is wrong in you calling me president?
This is the same thing what I do when we say for 49 days.
What is wrong in you calling me president? If you call me president about thing, call yourself vice president.
As I call you vice president, president no dey for the back. President no dey for the back.
I don't want that.
Okay, come on the vice, hold the president, but for me I put vice for the front.
I don't want that.
I put am.
No ever take.
You must take it.
You must take it.
You must take yourself. You must take it.
You be president.
You dey fight for position.
For where they?
You dey fight for position. You see am?
Anyway.
You dey fight for position.
See, allow me talk.
I'm a man of the people.
Oh, now I'm not the man of the people. I'm a man of the people as well. Let me talk. Yes, I could go back to the 6 major.
Collect Bakare from Oshogbo. You say you are a man of the people. You want me in the wasting credit. How can you be man of the people? I don't want to take me to court. I want to be president.
Oga Bakare, help me warn this man. But before you go on, I just look to hear you.
Good morning.
Good morning,
Oga
Oga Bakare.
Bakare.
You have a very good program there.
Thank you,
very
sir.
much.
See as I fight for
And I
you
know
to pick your
they
call.
hot very, very well. It's good like that, eh?
Thank you, sir.
Okay, I want to give advice to this new Oga wey they appoint. And you know the advice, no, because making them wary of undue influence. You understand? Because before you go know now, bad people then go change them. Even though if you get good intention. So making them ruthless when you need to be ruthless, and making them charming when you need to be charming. Especially when they don't support them with DSSS. You understand? Another thing to say, make him realize, say, corruption in this country, it don't...
Hey!
Don't mention my name.
Hey!
Don't mention my name.
You don't want to take the call before the call go enter. See what you
Chukwudi,
talk.
why now? What I do you now?
Ruthless, charming, worry.
Chukwudi, what I do you now?
Hey, Nkubi.
Oga Bakare, abeg,
Hey.
abeg, call back, abeg. Hi, Oga Prince from Owerri. Good morning.
Morning, Kubi.
Good morning.
Morning, now.
We dey fine.
Chukwudi, good morning.
Oga Prince, I greet you.
Oh, how you there?
We dey fine.
Chukwudi, don't they romance with the President Muhammad
Thank you.
Buhari now?
Okay, make I not even talk that side.
He don't they romance with him now. He don't be a better person now.
Oga Prince, before you no be better person.
And now you why they ask now before now from your mouth now.
No.
Thank you.
No. Oga Prince.
Thank you, Oga Prince.
Oga Prince.
He don't they see what thing they do. He don't they see his handwork.
Oh.
The person is there inside this man.
Chukwudi, no, why you shaking now? Why
you
it's so
see the kind of people when they appoint for position, now people when sabi wetin they do. People who know the work. I tell you, the tango say now when we get President when sabi something. Nigeria not go forget this kind of President.
Yes.
Like Nigeria forget the past President where they there. You know, it's a good luck Nigeria don't forget them.
No, Oga Prince.
Nigeria
Prince.
don't go forget them.
Oga Prince.
My advice to the new NNPC chairman be say, make him they do better thing. All those things where the president don't tell him make him do.
Make him face
do
am.
something like that.
Yes.
It go better for this country.
Thank you very much, Oga Prince.
Because we don't change program.
Yes.
Oh, I dey thank God for this president.
Oga
May
Prince,
God
thank you
bless
very,
you all.
very much. You don't make very, very
Oga
important
Prince, thank you
contribution.
very, very much.
Wetin I dey always dey talk on top of this show. I never for once come out and say President Muhammadu Buhari na bad person.
No, of course, you know.
But the only thing, the thing when I stand on,
I say
all the people, no.
intricate,
All the
that
people-
one accepted. Okay, that one accepted.
All the people.
But for reasons
No,
where,
wait. Just like wetin come here come talk say they don't forget President Goodluck Ebele Jonathan. Me, I stand here to talk am, and I go still talk am again. Say for us to conclude, because I dey always dey talk am say government na like clock. People dey do this one they do. Now everybody dey contribute. Say if people dey spoil the work of government, make we no carry and put on top of the head of President Goodluck Ebele Jonathan. I talk am here. The agricultural sector, we see development, and people no see development.
Chukwudi, we don't hear.
Oh, Nana, you don't hear.
We don't hear now.
You don't hear. When Oga Prince dey talk, you dey support am. Nana, you don't hear. Abi.
Chukwudi, I one state all the 5-6 tasks way Oga Muhammadu Buhari.
I hold your mouth. I hold your mouth.
Hold down, no, I just quickly state that now. Oga Polycarp, finally, good morning. Oga Polycarp don't call us. Good morning, Oga Polycarp.
Good morning, Chukwudi.
Oga Polycarp, we don't tell.
We don't miss you well, oh.
So I just say they leave other people, sure.
Thank you. You be considerate man now. You see, we are
At
together.
least, we are together,
Don't
yes.
say it. Don't claim relationship.
Good morning, Chukwudi.
Good morning, Oga Polycarp, my brother.
Good morning.
Yesterday, I tried to tell that issue. So the only thing I'm going to keep in is that that man, Alex Bade, should be arrested and charged for negligence of duty. Because he didn't do like the person whom they put there for. Coming to the man from Warri who was trying to start everybody waiting for Warri to go their place. It cannot happen. We're in one Nigeria.
Yes.
If the non-indigenous go away from Warri, he cannot survive there alone. We need each other for survival in Nigeria.
Exactly.
In one country, one Nigeria. And as regards to today's issue, I think the question is gradually balancing. For those who were complaining yesterday, say the appointment when they appoint the chiefs, do not come to the east. Do not come to the east, so don't come to the east. But let the man, that Kachiku, yeah, man, where Bible talk. How much you giving, much respected.
Exactly.
So you should not let us down.
Yes.
You should not let the Easterners down. You should not let the whole country down. Because if he has a good record at Mobile, We expect him to take a better record now in Nigeria. So that he can even go to world appointment when he finish his tenure here. So I can never commend all of you and the work they are doing here.
Thank you very much. Oga Polycarp, God bless
Thank
you
you
for
very, very much, Oga Polycarp.
getting that faith on top of us, the heart, and they call us, they support us. You hear what they end up with quotes from the Bible. So who much is given, much is expected. Those of us when we say they go church.
Don't bring back that church issue because I don't tell you, say, look, say, if you Chukwudi Ezugu Cyprian.
Why you call my three names?
But it's not your name. It's Chukwudi Ezugu Cyprian.
Why you call the name again? I tell you, why you call my name the first time? You never.
Now, question you ask, I can't state and say, see the answer. Cyprian Chukwudi Ezugu. If you get church.
Why you can't call him again? Can't mix them this time around. Can't start with the one where not even be the first
as
one.
long as the whole three names are your name. If you establish
Okubi, if you know say you get man, make I end this show. Make you still sit down for here. Make I end this show. Make you still sit down for here. Make I end this show. Make you still sit down for here. Oh, you think say you wear cap? You don't see him. Make I end the show. If you know say you get man, stay here. Our people went there for house. We don't. I don't even forget how to even end show because of this. Our people went there for house. Nigeria and our country no go spoil. Make all of us join our hands together to move this our country forward. Until we come back again tomorrow, because after we go to come on smoke. This night they on.
If una know say una just enjoy the video they wanna just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.